put my shades. Dollars, dollars. Dollar signs are on my mind. This type of night, talk about. Gonna see, you gonna hear. It's the SA that lost his mind. Been around that town. The 306 and 306, a couple y'all know what I mean. 306, what you know, a motherfucking type of chick that what you know, she got an eye that let me see to the sky, while I'm getting high, and I spin my mind in the clouds, I can't see now how, let go, but you know I lost control, and I can't find myself. I'm in the road, I'm at the end of the road, and nobody knows, but only me and Bonnie, Some of y'all think, but fuck what y'all think. And I'ma keep on running, and I'ma keep on getting so high. And in this life, I see myself OD. What you know, a couple days ago, he was just fine, man. He was on top of the world with this girl that he thought it was, but he knew what it was from the jump. So why the fuck you got the feelings? Cause they told me what you know you could be what you know in the hood. And now it hurts, and what the fuck was that? You should've left alone. Goddamn.